Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, I'm going to share my opinion on Facebook Reels versus TikTok when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now I'm gonna keep it real. Both places are great for affiliate marketers. All right. A lot of people are making money on both platforms, but I have my little experience and I'm gonna give my 2 cents. Now, I'm a part of both platforms, TikTok and Facebook Reels. Just started doing Facebook Reels a few weeks ago because it got a strong buzz right now. So it's hard to say because, you know what I'm saying, it's just starting to really pick that traction up. TikTok been around a little longer. But honestly, right now, if I had to pick a platform, I would go with Facebook Reels right now. And I'm gonna tell you why. TikTok, all right, it's cool. TikTok still get a lot of traffic. TikTok probably still #1 when it comes to short form content. I do think Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts they coming, right? They coming, which is great for affiliate marketers like us because it gives us more opportunity, right, to get more eyeballs on whatever we promoting. But like with TikTok, it's just, you know, the whole thing with you need 1,000 followers, right? Before you can put a link in your profile. And that's not too difficult to do, depending on who you are. But you do need that 1,000 followers before you can put a link up. And you have to, you can't put links in your comments, right? And that's where, or clickable links. And that's where Facebook Reels, I like right now, because a lot of people don't realize that with Facebook Reels, listen to me, you can put links in your description, all right, and in the comments. And that's another thing, going back what I was saying about TikTok videos, you can't put a link in the description of your TikTok videos, right? You can't put a clickable link in there, right? With Facebook Reels, you can. Now, like I said before, I haven't tried to put a website link. I've been putting YouTube video links in the description of my Facebook Reels, which make it a great way to get people to your, affiliate offers, that maybe you're promoting on YouTube. So you might be thinking, dude, I ain't on YouTube. I don't got a YouTube link to put in my Facebook Reels. Well, try to put a link, try to put a bit.ly link, or a website link or whatever in your Facebook Reel description, and just try it out. If it don't work, okay, delete it or change the link or whatever, but just try it. But I know right now you can do a YouTube link in your Facebook Reels, which is super powerful for affiliate marketers. Now, for example, if you don't have a YouTube channel or anything, you might want to consider whatever you're promoting, your affiliate product. Maybe you want to do some sort of video, right? Even if you're not on camera, find a video from the company or something, do something and throw it up on YouTube. And then in your YouTube description, put that affiliate link, promote that product in your YouTube description link. Because if you can get people from Facebook Reels over to YouTube, not only is that going to give you a chance to earn that commission, but it's actually going to get you more views for your YouTube videos, which will help you earn YouTube revenue. I just dropped that knowledge. I just dropped it. All right. So right now, guys, Facebook Reels, I would suggest you add that to your arsenal when it comes to marketing. If you were debating about, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, but you definitely should be doing YouTube Shorts too. But yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. Right now, that's my take on it. Facebook Reels. Check it out for yourself, guys. Comment below. Make a Facebook Reel. Let me know how you like it and were you able to share your actual website link in the description. Hell, I'm about to try it myself. All right. So if you're looking for more money-making tips and you're looking for a system that can earn you $50, $150, and $300 instant commissions, watch this video right here.